Hi, this is Piero, Technical Director of SecPoint, and I'm here to introduce firmware 47 of the Penetrator. In this firmware, we have improved the AI engine and the management of AI-processed scans on the dashboard. A new AI processing menu has been created where you can configure AI processing of scans and view the targets where AI processing has occurred. In this page, we can see the list of targets where AI processing has been launched and has determined that one or more vulnerabilities have false positives. In this list, we can see the new status AI processed scan and a little robot icon next to the status name. Clicking on the target IP, the complete list of vulnerabilities is shown, and the ones marked as false positive by the AI processor are displayed with the green bug icon. In this page, you can manually add or remove false positive. AI and manually added false positive are displayed with a different icon. And if you unmark an AI added false positive and then you add it again to false positives, it will be marked as a manually added false positive. Lists of false positives are generally very long lists of vulnerabilities. To simplify the management of these long lists, we have added two checkboxes on top of the list. The first one is to hide or show AI added false positives. The second one is to hide or show manually added false positives. The second choice in the AI processing menu opens the settings page. In this page you can turn on or off the AI processor, turn on or off the AI learning algorithm. The AI learning uses the result of past scans to improve the behavior of the AI processor on the next scans, so you can turn on or off this algorithm. Then you can alter some trigger values. The AI processor assigns every vulnerability a probability value, which is the probability for that vulnerability of being a false positive. The first value is the minimum probability that a vulnerability must reach to be considered a false positive. The second value is the minimum number of similar vulnerabilities that must exist on the same target. When both conditions are met, a vulnerability is automatically marked as false positive. In the advanced area, you can alter the AI processing algorithm itself. The AI processor learns from previous scans and may behave differently from a target to another. For this reason, the accuracy of the AI processor depends on a good tuning and on repeating a false positive scan after checking the result of a previous scan on the same target. Another improvement is in the scan notification. When you edit a scan template, you can decide how to be notified at the end of a scan. Now we have made this choice simpler by giving the option to choose among three possibilities. The first one is always be notified at the end of a scan, the second one is never be notified, and the third one is be notified if vulnerabilities are found. Another interesting feature I want to show is the possibility to alter the number of items in lists. In this page you can configure the number of items in the lists of the home page and on the other pages separately. This is the initial number of items that will be displayed when the list is first shown. However, this number can temporarily be changed on every list through the drop-down menu on the top left of every list. Well, it's all for now. If you want to know more about this firmware, you can download the release notes document from our website. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.